Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. I've got some awesome new tech that is made by LOOPDOT. This guy right here. Now you're probably looking at it magnetized right to the side of my tool chest. This flashlight is absolutely phenomenal. So first thing to mention, as far as for its size, it is incredibly compact, it is powerful, and it is lightweight. So this thing weighs 40 grams, which is going to give you at 1.411 ounces. Now, it is dual light senses as far as for its light functionality, and it also has CRI 90 illuminations. Now this thing has 52 RGB dot lights that are built into this thing, and we're going to go into those features in just a second. Now, the one thing that I love most about this is that it has a dial that you can adjust up and down. So as you can kind of hear that, this thing has an incremental dial of a 0.1. So it's going to give you the adjustment from 0.1 to 400 luminas up to a range of 100 meters. Now the brightness settings on this thing, you have two different color temperatures. You have what is called a warm white, and then you have daylight. This thing is absolutely awesome. So whether you're using this for photography, for reading, working at a shop, traveling, especially having this inside your car, because all you got to do if it's dark outside and you just need a hands-free light, magnetize it right there. The convenience of getting you all the powerful features. So let's go ahead and dive right in, take a closer look to some of the things that are on this, because you guys are going to fall in love with it, because I absolutely enjoy the heck out of this thing. Stay tuned. All right, so with this LOOPDOT, it is a real simple design to be incredibly compact and give you that versatility to be able to carry this thing and place it anywhere. So again, whether you're home, office, shop, in your car, vehicle, travel, transportation, so on and so forth. This thing also has built-in games, and I'm going to get to that in just a minute here. But first, let's cover off the light settings. So we have a button right here on the top. Go ahead and press that. So this is going to give us two different options for lighting. We have, for the first one, this is going to be the soft white, or I would call it the warm white. And then if we click it one more time here, we're going to go ahead and go back. And this is going to be the daylight. Can you guys hear the fidget wheel on this thing? Completely customizable as well. And I'm going to show you that in just a second here, which is this guy right here. Into that settings, you press it one time to go into your settings. This is where we can adjust our volume. I tell you what, this thing is absolutely fun. To exit out of the menu, you double click. And then we can go into my next favorite feature, which is our games. This guy right here. So you can do everything from rolling dice to what I would call the rock, paper, scissors, which is absolutely fun. So let's go ahead and click it once to go in there. We've got our little smiley faces. Ah, here we go. We have got our dice. So I just rolled a 6, and we have a level. And here we can go into our little screensaver display. It also has a built-in infrared as well. So that infrared sensor that is on this thing is pretty slick too. And I'll tell you what, this ASMR sound and the fidget that is on this thing is incredibly addictive. I also love the fact that one of the other features for the lights that you can do on this is if you press that button 3 times, it's going to turn on a strobe. Go ahead and turn that feature off. And again, I can't get enough of this little fidget guy. This thing is a lot of fun. You're also going to notice that we have the Type-C charging display port that's on there. or as I would say, the Type-C charging plug. So, and it gives you a really nice carry handle, so it makes it incredibly convenient to carry this no matter where you guys go. There are accessories that you can get for this as well, as far as like a little housing clip, so that way you can clip it to your belt or your jacket or your hat. And then this is our little guy right here, and it's been drop tested up to 1 meter, so this thing can take quite a bit of abuse. So what I definitely want to recommend, if you're looking to step up your convenience and your experience of adding to your home, your office, your shop, your camper, wherever you go, you have one of these guys with you. It is going to simplify the convenience of being able to have a bright light and entertainment with you no matter where you go. So highly encourage checking this guy out, guys, because it is absolutely sweet. I'm in love with it. I encourage and recommend it to anybody because it is pretty awesome to have. A lot of power that's inside this compact design. Check this guy out. Get one for yourselves, guys, because this thing is sweet.